this is what we're doing. That 318 we punched out to 359. It will be transplanted to this pickup truck. It's 77 Dodge. It's currently got the 318. This is what that small block is going into. All right, so this is the current motor that's in it. It does run pretty good. It does have some issues, but as you can see, it needs quite a bit of work. This is what we will be working on. It is obviously a lot of work going to be done to this thing. It's here at our shop here at Grady's Automotive. We're going to take the radiator out, send it down to our buddies at Buddy's radiator shop, have him go through it and make sure it's in good shape. We're going to be putting some headers on it, yeah, this is quite a bit of work. Here's our 318. We're putting it in this truck, the Mike's Motorworx. We still got the distributor in. Reason we still have it in is because we can keep everything in place because of those brackets that Grady made for his big motor, so we wouldn't have to mess with all that. As you can see, it's hanging up a little bit right there. The only thing I've done so far to this motor is swapped over the coolant temp sensor connector, or the plug, and the oil pressure plug we took out of the original 318 that was in here. We got new motor mounts, which you can see it's not quite where it should be because of that brackets hanging up, which is an easy fix. So we are running into a little bit of an issue. I'm gonna try and get down there to show you. But right down here, the oil pan is hitting the frame. So we can see it's hitting the oil pan to this lower cross member. So we are definitely gonna have to switch this oil pan around. Because right now it's basically hitting on this oil pan right in through here. But that oil pan is going to have to be replaced. You can see the oil pan is hitting the frame right there. We don't have enough clearance to make this pan work. Which you can see the big difference with the car oil pans and the truck oil pans is the car pans, that subframe or that frame runs right across here. But the trucks need to have that, basically the sump further back to allow clearance. So on this application, we got to change the oil pan as well as the pickup because the car pickup is going to run deeper compared to the trucks, which will go to the original truck engine and show you that. All right, so we can see here, this is the truck. We can see that this section right here sits a lot lower than the other one. This is a lot deeper sump further back, which means this is a bigger oiling system. This is a 6-quart oiling system, where the other one's a 5.1. So the big difference is going to be right in here. The oil pan is much deeper back here compared to the front, so it gives you that ground clearance for the clearance for the frame assembly. The other notation that I do want to make, the trucks, this section right here is a little bit bigger than the cars. So here we go. We got the oil pan swapped over to the truck style. We got long tube headers. We're still got to mess with the kickdown cable, but that we'll worry about later. Got all the fuel lines hooked up. spark plug wires installed, verified the timing, or verified the locations, make sure all that's right. So we will get ready to fire up. Here we got it. The 318 fully assembled back in the vehicle. We did upgrade the radiator. It's all aluminum radiator. We got the headers in, and basically a form of cherry bombs for the exhaust. So give me just a second. Well, there you go. The swap is complete. 318 punched out to a 349. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.